Thank you for taking the time to learn about the MacAllyn Setup Reduction System. Over the next few minutes, we will talk about how it works, what it does, and the advantages it provides to any users that employ the system. The installation of the product in any machine is very simple. However, it does require two key accessories. One, it requires quick change tooling, such as the Sandvik product called Capto, and a tool presetter, such as a Zoller unit as we employ here. Since the system runs in the background, the operators don't need extensive training. They just know that they load the tools, touch off one tool instead of many, and make good parts first time through. In a few moments, you'll meet Tom Allen, the inventor of this system. Tom worked in our company for 2 decades in our lathe department, and in frustration, watched the milling department use preset tools to make drastic reductions in their setup times. He wanted to find a way to use that same technology in the lathe department, and for the last 10 years have used successfully to see our setups reduced by as much as 50%. It is not uncommon that an operator can set up and run out multiple jobs in any one shift.
All of these tools are all measured the same. They're not measured per machine, so the gauge lengths and offset diameters are always the same on all of them. The most troublesome thing to maintain the old system was it would take an operator, a high-skilled guy, would take this indicator and indicate every station on the turret, write all those differences down. It might take him 4 or 6 hours to do that. Now I've just simplified it. Part of the first process we do is we take a tooling ball like this that's set up. It's a quick change Capto, and we put that in the turret, and then we use the tool presetter. Now in this system, we take this tooling ball, touches off on the tool presetter on both X and Z. This tool will go through stations 1 through 12 until I have a new set of offsets in my geometry table. The system here will then take all of those measurements that are here. It measures the entire turret, so the whole turret is good and measured to itself. And now the machine would be ready for an operator to set up. We have this set of preset tools here. This measurement and this offset from center line out is exactly what these numbers are on this Zoller printout sheet. And this is the program that loads them into the machine. If we look up here, you can see 3.9346 and 1" 062. These are going to be input into the geometry. We'll do that right now by a simple cycle start. We'll look at the offset where they're going first. This group of offsets, which came from the measurement of the turret, are going to be combined with these. These numbers shall change, and they change a lot. And then we're going to load tools in and run a part. So here we have tool 2. That goes in station 2. Now that we have all of our tools are loaded in, everybody put some material in, touch off the face of it. We're going to go over to our G54. We're going to establish a new number here. We're going to go Z0 measure. So now we have a number here, so now the turret knows where the face of material is. Now we're going to run a part. This part came out at 0.5626, which matches the print tolerance here, 0.5626 plus nothing minus 2/10. We made a good part.
Now that you've seen the system work and have a better understanding of what it does and how it does it, join us and be part of getting this product to the larger marketplace. The system works. We know it works because we've used it for the last 10 years. If you have more questions, and I'm sure you do, please contact myself at the following number.